In this exercise tutorial, we're going to be doing a unipodal stance or a single leg stance, balance exercise, but we're going to be adding another element of difficulty into this one by having our eyes shut as we do it. Now, this greatly intensifies the exercise. So a lot of people that can balance on one leg really well, as soon as they shut their eyes, they are all over the place. So it's really important to get the maximum benefit out of this, but also the most minimal amount of risk has to be applied. We don't want high risk in this exercise. We don't want to be falling over or creating any injuries. So when I'm doing this, I'm going to have my hands initially on this chair. You can use a chair if you feel more comfortable with a wall or a kitchen counter. You can use whatever you want. Fixed resistance is, of course, better than something like a chair that's going to move. In this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring both my feet into a position where they're hip width apart and both my feet are pointing forwards. I'm then going to have my hands on that fixed resistance object. In this case, it's a chair for me today. And I'm going to bring one leg out of the way. So I'm not working this right leg at all. You might feel it a little bit in the hamstring, but it's my left leg in terms of balance that I'm going to be working. As soon as I bring my hands slightly off the chair, I'm now balancing on one leg unaided. And what you're going to do now is shut your eyes and you're going to repeat this for the desired amount of seconds and repetitions or sets that you want to. So for example, if you're in this position, you've got your eyes shut and your hands are ready. If you lose your balance, you can quickly grab onto it, as opposed to if the chair or there was no fixed resistance around you and you felt wobbly and then you fell over or you did an accident, for example. So that is the safest way how to do a single leg balance with your eyes shut in that unipodal stance.